What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to update or check for any updates on Adobe Acrobat. So first off, you need to download the Adobe Acrobat, and after downloading, just log in with your email and password. And after that, on at the top on the left side, you will see the option of menu. Click on it and then go all the way down and then click on the help section, or you can just hover for help section. And after that, from here, you can see the option of check for updates. Simply give it a click and then it will take some time. So it will then check whether an update is available or not. As you can see on my screen, an update is available, and here is the update, its storage, and all the details about the update. I will just simply click on download and install, and then it will update my Adobe Acrobat Reader. So this is how you can check your about your updates on Adobe Acrobat Reader. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.